Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up version control. First, download and install Git on your computer. Once installed, navigate to your project directory in the terminal. Then, initialize a new Git repository using the git init command. Finally, set your username and email with git config commands. This identifies your contributions. This foundational step prepares your project for tracking changes efficiently. After initializing your repository, the next step is to track changes. Use git add to stage all modified files, preparing them for a commit. Then, commit these staged changes with git commit m, your descriptive message here. A good commit message explains what was changed and why. You can always review your project's history and past commits using the git log command. To collaborate or back up your work, you'll use remote repositories. Start by creating one on a service like GitHub or GitLab. Then, link your local repository to this remote using git remote add origin URL. Finally, push your local commits to the remote repository with git push uorigin main. This uploads your changes, making them accessible to others and providing a secure backup. Collaboration involves keeping your local repository updated and managing new features. Use git pull origin main to fetch and integrate changes from the remote repository. For new features or bug fixes, create a new branch with git checkout b new feature. Once your work is complete, merge your branch back into the main development line using git merge new feature. This keeps your project organized and facilitates teamwork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.